subscribe, like and share our channel. Today's topic is roots of polynomial equations. Roots of polynomial equations. A very basic thing in our course, there are up to fourth degree polynomial equations. Fourth degree polynomial equations. Actually, degree first one is known as the linear equation. I tell you, number of roots of an equation, number of roots of an equation is equal to degree of the equation. Always. So if degree is 1, I will say there is one root. If degree is 2, I will say there must be 2 roots. If degree is 3, I will say there must be 3 roots. If degree is 4, I say there must be 4 roots. And there are special names, I tell you. Degree 1 is known as a linear equation. It will have only root alpha. Degree 2 is known as a quadratic equation. And it will have 2 roots, alpha and beta. Degree 3 is known as a cubic equation. It will have 3 roots, I will say alpha, beta and gamma. Degree 4 is known as a quartic equation. Quartic, quartic like this one. Quartic equation, 4 roots. Their general forms are, for example, linear equation is general form is ax plus b is equal to 0. Degree 2 quadratic equation is the general form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Degree 3 cubic equation is the general form ax cubed plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. And the 4th degree or quadratic equation is the general form ax power 4 plus bx cubed plus cx square plus dx plus e is equal to 0. Where all these coefficients a, b, c, d, e are real numbers. They can be positive or negative, but they are real numbers. Okay, so this one. Now, if suppose there's a at least we start from we have 2nd degree, 3rd degree, and 4th degree equation. If it's a degree 2 equation, if it's a degree 2 equation, actually its roots will be alpha and beta. Okay, so I'll find a different thing. The different formula is, suppose how I can find its square. I can say it will alpha plus beta whole square will be equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. You can square alpha square, beta square, multiply these two and twice. But how will you remember this thing which you will be using this formula? I'll just keep alpha square plus beta square and transform 2 alpha beta here. So can I write alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square and minus 2 alpha beta. And you have to remember this rule. Number 1. How to find a cube of this one? Second formula. The cube of this one is alpha plus beta whole cube is equal to, I can say, first cube of this alpha cube, cube of this beta cube. Multiply these two and it's thrice. It will be plus 3 alpha beta, and then write in the bracket same thing, alpha plus beta. Please see how I expand. See the expansion of alpha plus beta whole cube. The second formula you have to remember, alpha plus beta whole cube, alpha cube plus beta cube. Multiply these two together and thrice. So this is plus 3 alpha beta in the bracket alpha plus beta. Now I only need alpha cube plus beta cube formula. So I will transform this plus will transform here to minus. So I can say alpha cube plus beta cube will be equal to alpha plus beta whole cubed minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. We'll be using these formulas which I'm writing in boxes. Okay, but actually it is very difficult to remember this formula. It is easy to remember these two both. Then you can adjust in. Or it's up to you if you can remember this or this. Okay. Now, if there is a there is a cubic equation. Suppose, for example, cubic equation will be this one, like it will have ax cubed plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. It will have 3 roots, alpha, beta and gamma. How I can square these, this is the fourth formula, this will be my third formula, which you have to remember. Third formula, I can say alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square is equal to, you can say alpha square plus then beta square and plus gamma square. Now multiply these two together. So this will be alpha beta, then twice, write twice, plus 2 alpha beta. Then multiply these two together. This is beta gamma twice plus 2 beta gamma. Then multiply these alpha and gamma and twice plus 2 alpha gamma. Sorry. So now so this is alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square, alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. Multiply these two together and twice. Multiply these two together and then twice. Multiply these two together and twice. Now I can write also, I need here this alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square only. So this will be alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square will be equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square. And when they will be here, this will be minus 2 alpha beta minus 2 beta gamma minus 2. So minus 2 will be common, and I can write alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma. You have to remember this thing. For this, another thing you must remember, the fourth formula is, actually I can say what I can write alpha cube. This is the basic formula in algebra, plus beta cube plus gamma cube, and always there's minus 3 alpha beta gamma. This is always equal factors, alpha plus beta plus gamma. You can remember this thing very easily first. Alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube, this will be minus 3 alpha beta gamma. Multiply these and minus 3. These are the factors, alpha plus beta plus gamma, and another bracket, this is alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. Then multiply these in opposite sign. This plus alpha beta, I write minus alpha beta. Not twice. Here no 2 will become in cubic, in factors these. And this beta gamma, this is minus beta gamma. And this is alpha gamma, I will write this as minus alpha, minus alpha gamma. So this is alpha gamma. This is minus beta gamma and minus alpha gamma. So now I can actually I need this one alpha plus beta, this one only alpha. So I say alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube will be equal to, I'll transform this is same thing, alpha plus beta plus gamma, and here in bracket I'll write this alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. I'm taking minus is common, and this alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma. This is over. Now this one minus 3 alpha beta gamma will be here what? Plus 3 alpha beta gamma. Thank you very much.